Okay, good morning, grade 6. So today we will have a lesson on lesson 6, bringing back paradise. So our first lesson, distinguishing the different consonant sounds. So let's read the following words from the article losing paradise. So we have catch, descent, even, exporter, fabled, fish, frenzy, generation, gift, Japan, lapse, lucrative, Manila, Makeda, method, move, nook, Pacific, seaweeds, and welfare. So have you noticed that some letters on the words are highlighted? Okay, so we're going to identify the different sounds of the consonants in the words. So let's find out which words are they have different which word has the same consonant sound with the ones that are highlighted. Okay, so for for the word catch, the highlighted word is letter C. So um so when reading the word catch, it has the k sound. So which of these words on the box has the same k sound as the one on the word catch? So you have makeda, lucrative, and nook. Okay, what about even? Even has the highlighted letter on the word even is letter B, which has the sound B. So we have even and move. And generation. Okay, so for the word generation, our highlighted letter is the letter G sound, which has the G sound. But in this word, it has the J sound. So generation. So is it gift? Does the word gift has the same consonant sound as generation? No. Okay, they have the same letter, but they don't have the same sound. But it has with Japan. So some consonants may have more than one sound and may share the same sound as the others. It is necessary that to know how the sound of a particular consonant differs from another. So like just like the consonant G, with which it has the G sound and the J sound. Okay, this will enable you to pronounce the words correctly. Let's do this together. So I will show you a word in the orange box, which has the highlighted letter in green. Okay, and I'm going to show you the rest of the words that we're going to find out which word has the same sound, which word has the same consonant sound as the one highlighted on the orange box. Okay, so for the first one, we have preview, which has the highlighted V on it, letter V. So the ones that we're going to choose from are bliss, olive, tablet, and village. So which of these words have the B sound on it? So we have olive and village. That's right. Okay, next we have affix, which has the X sound highlighted. So we have boxes, expire, text, and xylophone. So which of this has the sound? Affix, boxes, expire, text xylophone. So we have boxes, expire, and not xylophone. It should be text because the xylophone has the sound. It doesn't have the xylophone. Diba? So this is the correct one, and this is the no. Okay, that was a typo. Okay, next, more examples. Okay, we have cake has the cook sound. Is it center, calm, cute, and kitchen? Okay, so which one has the cook sound? Okay, for the letter C. Okay, we have calm and cute. Okay, not kitchen. Because the C there has the ch sound. Okay, CH. Next, cinema has the letter C has the S sound in it. The consonant C has the S sound. So is it circus, cucumber, or notice? Okay, so that is right. We have circuit, circus, and notice. So our next lesson is about using synonyms and antonyms as context clues. So we know that synonyms and antonyms can also serve as context clues in the sentence. If there's an unfamiliar word in the sentence, try to look for its synonym or antonym that can also be found somewhere else in the sentence. It will give you a clue on the meaning of the unfamiliar word. So for example, in the following sentences, let's read them. Note the colored words, the colored ones, okay? We're going to discuss about it later. So first, in the first sentence, the ravage of the mining activities found its way to Makeda Bay. The damage was so drastic it almost left the residents around the area with nothing. So in the first sentence, the word ravage and damage are highlighted. Okay, next on the second sentence, the fishing industry in Makeda Bay was very lucrative then. However, overfishing and the irresponsible actions of the people turned the bay into an unprofitable one. Okay, so in this, lucrative and unprofitable are highlighted. Okay, let's discuss each sentence. Let's discuss the first sentence first. So the word ravage and damage are highlighted. Okay, so ravage, it means damage, destruction, or devastation. Therefore, so since damage is already mentioned here, therefore, ravage and damage are synonyms or they have the same meaning. Next, on the second sentence, lucrative and unprofitable are highlighted on the sentence, on the sentences, on the selection, okay, on the text. So lucrative, it means profitable. You already know this from our vocabulary words, okay? So profitable and unprofitable, there are antonyms. Therefore, lucrative and unprofitable are antonyms, okay? So our next lesson is about distinguishing the problem-solution text type. Problem, it means the situation or question that needs an answer, response, or action. Okay. On the other hand, solution is an action or process done to solve a specific problem. So we have a problem and solution. So we need the solution to solve the problem. Okay. A problem and solution text follows a pattern of text structure whereby information expressed as a problem or dilemma in something can be, should be, or was done to solve or to remedy this problem. Example, in this text, I will just read this text and then we're going to identify the problem in this, the problem and the solution, okay? So sand is washing away on many beaches. Some beaches are near extinction after years of crashing waves spin. There are many ways that we can do, however, to save these beaches. One solution is to place large tree branches or logs on the sand to keep the sand from flowing into the sea when there are strong winds and typhoons. Another idea is to plant trees along the beach. The roots would hold the sand in place. A short or long-term solution is that handy. What is important is that something must be readily done to keep our beaches. Okay, so our problem here is you can already right away identify it. It's on the first sentence, which is sand is washing away on many beaches. So that is our problem. So how can we fix this? How can we solve this? It is already mentioned in the text, um, where you will have a clue there when it says one solution. Okay, so one solution is to place large tree branches or logs on the sand. So that's our first solution. Okay, many solutions there were a few more solutions that were mentioned on the text. So another solution is to plant trees along the beach. Okay, so there are two solutions into one problem. Okay. Sometimes there can be more problem than, and then there will be one solution. Okay, it depends. Okay, so for your partner activity, you will do page 195, exercise 3. So come up with the answers together, help each other out, and then attach it on partner activity post. Here are your partners and your schedule. So partner 1 will be Jeko and Sachi. Your schedule is at 11:25 to 11:30. Rohan and Anase will be at 11:30 to 11:35. Kyle and Isabel will be at 11:35 to 11:40. Jeric and Doreen will be at 11:40 to 11:45. And Miguel and Shiana will be at 11:45 to 11:50. So you will have 5 minutes each to work on the answers. Okay? Next, do the seat work, page 192, exercise 1, number 6 to 20, and then attach on seat work number 2. Do the homework on pages 193 to 194, exercise 2, attach on homework number 2. Okay? So for example, when you're done with the video, when your schedule is not yet time, you can answer seat work number 2. And then when you're done with seat work number 2 and it's still not time for your schedule, you can already start with your homework number 2. Okay? So that's the end of our lesson for today. I'll see you on your schedule. Bye!